fellow car enthusiasts, Eric Meyer, Blue Collar Muscle Rods. Wanted to give you a quick tour of the shop because it's coming along pretty nice, so we'll go in through the main customer entrance and take a quick tour. As you come into the shop, this will be the main customer entrance area. We'll have a car parked right here in this area to greet visitors that come into the shop. The car could be a finished car, a car that we haven't started to work on yet, or a car that's halfway through its process. Moving ahead here, this is the shop's break area. In this area, we'll have a long conference table with nice chairs, and we'll have a refrigerator, countertop, microwave, coffee maker in this area. This side of the shop is the assembly side of the shop, and there won't be any dirt or welding or fabrication on this side. This side is all clean assembly work. This right here will be the ground level bathroom. I'll take you upstairs to the mezzanine, give you a quick idea of what's going on there. This is the mezzanine where we'll locate the shop's office, and we'll also have another mini kitchen up here with another refrigerator and countertop with a microwave and a coffee maker. We'll also have a TV on this wall right here for entertaining. This corner right here will have the shop's office and phones and closed-circuit TV system. Moving up to the second floor. Up here is where we will store customer parts, keep them out of the dust and hubbub going on downstairs. So we'll have some shelves up here that will locate all of the customer parts, and it's a mirror image on the other side. So we've got 3,200 square feet of storage for keeping customer parts safe. This side of the shop is the fabrication side of the shop. This side of the shop will do our welding, our grinding, our body work. Anything that's going to create dust will be done on this side of the shop. I'm putting in 2 rooms where we'll utilize put cars that will be creating an exorbitant amount of dirt. We want to keep that dirt from propagating throughout the shop, so we'll pull the cars in here, we'll close the doors, turn on the exhaust fans, and we'll pull the dirt out of the shop. Lastly, I'd like to show you our paint room. Here we'll have 6 lights in the ceiling, and then we'll have 13 lights in the walls around the perimeter where we will paint our cars. Well, that's the tour for today. Come back and we'll have an update in a couple weeks. Hopefully we'll get some garage doors put up soon, and we will continue painting this side of the shop, and it's turning out really good. Thank you.